Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Bluetooth setting in your Infinix phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Infinix phone guys. You want to connect your Bluetooth speaker, so as you can connect it. And guys, now let's see how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to this. Connect your Bluetooth speaker guys. How can we connect? Then guys scroll guys, you can see your more connection settings. So guys tap here. Guys fourth one guys, you can see guys fifth one is your Bluetooth setting. So I will click on Bluetooth setting and guys we will on our first of all Bluetooth speaker wise first button guys press it to on it. Then guys second guys you can see your Bluetooth. So guys press on Bluetooth setting. Then guys on it. Guys with refresh. As you can see your available device here. So as you can see guys my Bluetooth speaker name JBL speaker. So I will click on this speaker name. Then guys it will connect automatic to your Infinix phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker by listening song like that. So I have friends, you have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.